Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the number format in your Google Ads account. This is particularly useful if you're managing campaigns across different regions or simply prefer seeing numbers displayed in a specific format that aligns with your location or business standards. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once the page loads, sign in using your Google Ads credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard where you can see an overview of your campaigns and performance metrics. Now, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you need to locate and click on the Admin option. This section houses all the account level settings and configurations that control how your Google Ads account operates. Once you click on Admin, the menu will expand to reveal additional options. From this expanded menu, look for and click on Preferences. The Preferences section is where Google Ads allows you to customize various display and operational settings to tailor the platform to your specific needs and preferences. Under Preferences, you'll see several sections available for customization. Look for the section labeled Display Language and Number Format. Click on this section to expand it and reveal the selection options. This is where you'll be able to control how numbers and language appear throughout your Google Ads interface. Here's where it gets interesting. From the Display Language and Number Format menu, you'll notice that the number format option appears grayed out. This happens because it's currently set to default, which is tied to your current language setting. To unlock the number format option, you need to change the language first. Select a new language from the drop-down menu, ideally one that doesn't share the same number format as your default setting. Once you've selected a different language, you'll immediately notice that the number format option becomes active and is no longer grayed out. Now, you can click on the number format drop-down to change it based on your preferred location or regional format. This gives you full control over how numerical data like currency, decimals, and thousands separators appear in your account. After making your selection, click on Save to retain these changes. Give it a moment to process and apply your new settings across the account. And that's it. You've successfully changed the number format in your Google Ads account, allowing you to view your campaign data in a format that makes the most sense for your business or regional preferences. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.